how to fix Instagram feeds opening and closing easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first open settings, and now once you're here just scroll down until you find apps and then go to apps. Now you will find feeds, and then now you need to find feeds. Just type feeds and then click force stop, go to storage and click clear cache, and that's it. After that just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, then just restart your phone and you will find that your problem is fixed. And if that also doesn't fix it, now just try to uninstall freeze and install it again. And I hope this will be helpful for you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.